Hi guys, today I'm back and now let's get on to Python programming. So once you get the Python item from python.org, let's go to python.org. Here, when you go to python.org, here you should click on Windows. Wait. Okay, so get Windows if that's your operating system, and then click on anything that you want here. I mean, if you want, you can get the pre-releases, but you can also get these. And once you get this, you need to open up the zip file and then create a folder like this. Here. This is what you'll see in Python if you want to open this folder. So here, let's talk about a few things. So here is a zip file. Actually, we don't need this zip file, but here, this is important. Python.exe. This is a program that makes sure that Python should run. Now let's click on python.exe. This is Python 11 and it would look like this. But if you go to Python 10, 3.10, it will look something like this. So there's a bit of difference. Now you need the idle shell if you want to work with it, and here's a cat file. I'll mention this in a future video maybe, but okay, so let's talk about what is the extension of a Python file. Right here, let's actually look, and if we create a file here on the desktop and then change this part and change it into a py file, this is now a Python script, so it will open with Python. Now let's talk about the first command that you would want to write in Python. So after your Python setup, scroll down to python.exe. We need this file, not the idle shell. And now write print, and then open parentheses, and then you can add this a double quote or a single quote. I prefer to do it with a single quote. So, and now write any instruction that you want. Like for example, I will say hello. And if you want to have a space like here, like let's write hello Sepehr and add another quote and now close it. And then I would say hello Sepehr. But if you're in the idle shell, you have to add a backslash. Sorry, you don't need a backslash. Sorry. If you want to have a variable, you need to do it. Like for example, let's create a variable. This is the first lesson. Sepehr, like if you do this, Sepehr, and then whatever stuff, this is wrong. You can't do this. So you need to have an underscore. And now let's write Sepehr world. Yeah. Equals, and then open parentheses, type anything that you want, like Sepehr. What happened? Okay, so an error occurred, but you simply just write that thing, open parentheses, open quote. You need to, if you start with a single quote, you need to end with a double quote. With a single quote. But if you have a double quote and then you end it with a single quote, that will bring an error. So write any of your variables, but make sure to not have a space. Put an underscore and then it would print it as a space. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.